Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And what's trendy is that for once the Glasgow kiss is the preferred form of affection in a coronavirus universe in which a fifth of the workforce could soon be off sick. However, if you're an employee of Greggs, you would be paid to self-isolate, and we thank you, billboarder Falling Knife One, for your very punny observation. However, as discussed last week, contagion fears have waned and there's been a bounce back in a most superhero style. Here's the performance in the UK on Tuesday, March the 2nd. We're getting into the minutiae. BigDish, so its stock rise, and billboarder Donny 80, a TT or Twilight Thinker, gives us this food for thought for the dining deals and discount business. Despite COVID-19, people will still go out and handle cash and tap those consoles and eat in public. And we'll still compete and we will still attend sports events, which is great for Haydale Graphene. It's partnering with the English Institute for Sport and the Welsh Centre for Printing and Coating. It's all about delivering a range of advanced wearable tech, and it's continuing to produce performance garments for a range of sports in readiness for the Tokyo Olympic and Paralympic Games later this year, and it's going to support the British Olympic and Paralympic teams in innovation and performance gains, and not a single hypodermic in sight. Recruitment giant Robert Walters saw its share price react to its statement, and it is blaming COVID-19. It says that it's under pressure and warns the coronavirus outbreak is likely to impact 2020 profits. Now, the company operates worldwide and says the spread of the virus is adding further uncertainty to an unpredictable global recruitment market. Well, looking ahead, on Wednesday we get results from Allergy Therapeutics. That's the company who develops vaccines for allergies to grass and tree pollen. But just over a month ago, the company published publication of positive preclinical results of its peanut allergy vaccine candidate, and whoever cracks that nut should do just swell. However, the share price in Hostelworld has not been doing spectacularly, and on Wednesday the company releases its prelims. We'll be looking for any guidance that tourism, that of the budget conscious or millennial persuasion, is being impacted by viral concerns. However, look at that. History, hedonism and hummus. Love it. Well, Thursday is the turn of Domino's to update the market, and it'll be interesting to see if they include any coronavirus paragraph into their RNS. Now, if we're self-isolating, we need to eat, and pizza that's delivered to the door could be the tonic. The company has positioned itself as the official sponsor of Nights In, so surely it could rebrand itself as the official sponsor for a fortnight's self-isolation. That's it for now. Stay warm, stay well. See you this time next week.